Hello Perfect Blends family, it's Tamara, the Queen of Sauces. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I have a wonderful guest, Captain Seafood here, and we are going to make a delicious pineapple mango chutney pork chops using Perfect Blends traditional Epis and our chutney sauce. Okay, so let's get started.
First, about to go ahead and season the pork chops with the
traditional Epis.
Epis, there we go. Now, before I go ahead and touch the pork chops, let me go wash my hands first.
So make sure you guys always wash your hands whenever you're handling any types of meat or seafood, okay? So you don't get it all throughout your counter, so you don't contaminate anything, so you do not get sick. So today I am so excited to be making this. I've never done this before. So our guest here is an expert with, pork chops and fish and seafood. I've had his seafood before and it is amazing. So what are we doing here now? So this is our traditional Epis.
Yeah, the traditional Epis. Make sure you wash and clean them all. Make sure you got all the excess and everything. And make sure, because sometimes when they're cut, they're left with extra bone parts and everything. You want to make sure you clean up all of that.
And what about the fat? Do we keep the fat on or no?
Some of it, if you see that, you can cut some of it off. Some of it is good.
Okay.
So now what I normally do is I pat the seasoning in.
Now, does it matter what type of pieces that you use for this specific dish? Does it matter if it's center cut? Because I purchased the center cut pieces.
No, I just love the center cuts itself, but it doesn't matter which ones you get.
Okay. All right, this is looking good and it smells good. So check it out.
Next step, we're about to start. We're going to put it on the fire.
We are about to sear the pork chops.
Yeah.
Good.
We're going to pan sear the pork chops?
Yep, pan seared. Okay.
When you're doing the pan sear, you got to make sure the fire is on high. So you just want to get it seared. You're not trying to cook it because we're going to finish these off in the oven.
All right. So with the seared, it's really for color. You just want to get that nice brown, crisp color and texture.
And it sears in the flavor of the seasoning and the meat.
Got it.
And what you want to do is you want to sear each side about like a minute, 2 minutes.
Okay.
If the pan is extremely hot, you'll get what you need. Once you get to flip it, you get to turn, you get to look at it. This is what you want, sear marks. Now we're about to put the pork chops in the oven, ready for the finished product.
How long are we keeping it in there for?
Yeah, keep it in there for about like a half hour.
Okay. And what are we looking for?
Half hour to 45 minutes. Half hour to 45 minutes. We're going to put it on 350.
Okay.
And the final touch will be the mango chutney. That's going to be the final touch to put on. Glaze it up and take it out of the oven.
All right, so we are back since now we have our pork chops in the oven, and now we are going to make another delicious dish. What are we making?
Blackened chicken and Epis chicken.
All right. So let's see how we're gonna do this. We do have an Epis sauce, but we are using the dry blend today.
All right, the dry blend, we're going to season both sides as we did like with the pork chops.
All right, so this is the Epis is looking so good, guys. We are also going to sear that. And we can also just marinate the chicken with the blackened seasoning, which is coming soon, guys. I will also be launching a couple of new dry blends, and this is one of them. Okay, with the help of Captain Seafood here. He helped build this combination. I've been wanting to make my own seafood dry blend, and also a blackened season for just whether it's burgers or steak, things like that. And he just helped me create this. He put this together in like 5 minutes.
Every time when you're putting it in the pan with grease, you always want to go away from yourself. So that you don't want to bring it to you so it can pop on you. You want to push it away.
How long do you let the chicken sear?
You let the chicken sear for the same as like with the pork chop for like 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. And turning on both sides?
Yes. All you're going to do is still get the same
Oh, wow. That looks amazing. That is beautiful. I just love looking at food and how beautiful food is. Besides it tasting good, but how it's prepared and the process, it just makes me happy.
Alright, now with the blackened chicken.
Wow, I got it. This is so cool. I am so happy that you took the time to come and cook with us today. That looks amazing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can you tell I'm excited, guys? Like I said, I love texture. I love color. Look at this. Look at that grill effect. It just looks amazing. And it smells wonderful. And how long does that go in the oven for?
Until it's done. I like to say till it's done. You just keep checking.
Okay.
Most of the time, it takes
approximately
half hour or so.
Half an hour? Okay. All right, so this is going in the oven. Same temperature, 350?
Yes.
All right, so this is our final result. Guys, this looks amazing. Everything turned out beautifully. Everything smells so good, and I can't wait to taste everything. So this is our beautiful blackened chicken. This is our traditional Epis chicken. This is our pineapple mango chutney pork chops. Also, this delicious string beans were marinated in our gourmet garlic blend. And cauliflower rice, that's exactly what that is. And this is a delicious blend of pineapple and sweet potatoes, guys. It smells amazing and it tastes amazing. Okay, so let's plate these beautiful dishes. All right, family, so look at our beautiful plates, right? This turned out so beautiful. We have yet to taste it yet, but we are almost done with this one last finishing touch. Ooh, I love it.
There you go.
I love it. So that is our blackened chicken, guys, and our pineapple mango chutney pork chops. Well, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. I hope you guys create this recipe and share with us, okay? Let me know how it turns out for you. If you need to get any of our products, any of our sauces, you need to go on Perfect Blends, myperfectblends.com. Check out the website, get all these different sauces. Also, you will also find the recipe there. Don't forget to check out our ebook. It's 10 comfort meals in 30 minutes or less. It has wonderful recipes for your entire family. Okay, so don't forget, please share. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Bon appetit.